prospect. Look, I don't know.
It's only gonna take a minute. We're just gonna run in and out.
Really, I should be getting back.
I know, but I promise this is gonna be the last stop.
All right, I'm serious. This has got to be quick.
It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be 2-minute stops. We're gonna run in, we're gonna run out, all right?
Did your friend here, did he tell you that he owes me money?
No, he didn't.
Not a very good friend. Bringing you into something like this.
Like what?
The blind man and his deaf moronic son.
I tried telling you.
When did you try telling me?
Out in the street.
I've got some work for you.
What kind of work?
Someone's been giving me trouble. I need you to teach him a lesson.
What kind of lesson?
The kind people remember.
Philippe, we don't do that type of thing.
What do you mean, wait?
You are dishonest.
Not all the time.
You'll take anything that isn't nailed down.
But that's different, Philippe.
I'm giving you a chance.
What about the two guys playing cards? Why don't you just send them?
Excuse me?
They look like they do a better job than us. I'm just saying, I don't think we're right.
You're not right. You're not right for anything. Whether you go with him or not doesn't matter. What matters is that he goes.
Where?
Am I talking to myself?
No.
Who are you?
I'm a friend.
You're ridiculous. And you're about to get a good smack. I've got a memory like a fucking elephant. That fuck up at the bakery, you weren't there. You didn't do what you said you would do. Our friend is in jail because of you.
The car wouldn't start, Philippe.
It doesn't matter.
Is that what you used the car for?
Be quiet.
I thought you wouldn't mind.
That's my mother's car, Randall.
Philippe!
What's wrong with him?
Debts will be forgiven. A good deed will not go unrewarded. The fact that you are an incompetent nincompoop will be something we'll merely laugh about in private.
Can I get a this one, please?
It's $5. Thank you. are you doing?
What?
You just took someone's money that was on the bar.
No, I didn't.
I just saw you do it.
How much was it?
It's $2.
Listen, I'm really sorry. I thought it was mine.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I gotta wake the kids.
Hello?
Jerome?
Where are you?
I'm in jail.
What are you in jail for?
I don't know. I'm in trouble, Jerome.
What about tomorrow?
You're gonna have to go alone.
What? You know, you got me into this.
Well, you loaned me the car.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, you saying I'm gonna be here for the weekend. I can't see you judge till Monday. Please, Jerome. They're gonna kill me if it ain't done. Both of us.
What do you mean, both of us? Hello? Randall? Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. We could just pretend you were hurt. We could make it look pretty bad. I brought you some coffee.